Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and tonight I've come to you with the painting of this doll's leg. Now I have mixed up several different colors trying to figure out what colors I need in here. When I just did the orange and the white, I started to see pink in her. So I got the red out. And it seems to be what's helping in the matter of matching this up here with a flesh tone. I think this is as good as I'm going to get right now. The more I look at it, I'm just ruining the doll. Well, I'm not ruining her, but she needs a couple more coats. I'll be out here tonight giving her a couple more coats of this. But I think I'm catching on to what she needs and the colors that she needs. I based with white, put my orange in, and then I stuck in a little bit of red because I start to see pink in her all of a sudden. And when I seen that, that gave me this other color here, which is what I was needing to use on her. It's not perfect, I know. It's not exact, and that I understand. I don't know if I am going to be able to get it to be exact to match her. I'm trying my best here, but it is what it is right now. But I'm hoping that was going to lighten up a little bit. It's almost there. I can tell. I've just about nabbed it in color. So I'm almost there. Like I can see it because there is a pink in her, and I want that pink. But I don't want her to be pink. You just got to keep playing with it, and it's too red. So I hope this is teaching some of yous out there what you got to do. Still too much. I need my orange back a bit, just a bit. But I wonder if some burnt, like I said, maybe a little bit of burnt umber will help. Because there is like a base of brown in there too. Like I hope I'm not chasing the rainbow here. That's what I call it. Chasing the rainbow colors, you know. And sometimes a little bit of a darker color can help to bring another bit of that flesh tone out that you're looking for. And all of a sudden you'll find it, and to repeat that color, it's hard to. Oh, that's getting there. A little bit of burnt umber did help. You start to see it's just not orange, but orange was a color in this. And the next vinyl doll that you do will be a little different. You'll need a little bit of something else, maybe, like a little lighter of something else. Maybe these colors, but just something lighter. So I've got base with white, with orange, and red, and burnt umber. And I'm seeming to get there. Like I say, you've got to keep playing with the colors. Sometimes you just got to start all over again. And ooh, because see, that's orangey. I can paint over that or remove it. Boy, I'm getting there. That burnt umber does something. I don't want to go crazy on the burnt umber because it's strong too. Oh my goodness, look how close I'm getting. The burnt umber is what I was needing. Okay, getting there. And like I say, it's not going to be... Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my word, I think I've stumbled on it. Okay, let's clean up my brush. My garbage pail's getting full. I think this is more where I'm at with it. It's not an exact match, but it's better than where I was. I think it's just a little bit better than where I was with that orange. It's matching up to her skin tone that she has right now. And I think this is where I'm going to stay. Like I say, it's not a perfect match. It's not. But I think it's better than where I was. She's going to have her spa day, so some of this will be coming. Like, I'm going to seal this, of course. And but now I'm understanding a little bit about vinyl painting a vinyl doll and their color schemes. Like this here has taught me oodles and oodles of what I need to see and know. Wow, did I ever learn a mountain here of information. Like I say, it's not perfect, but it's more of a blend than that bright orange or that orange I just had there a few minutes ago. Yeah, I think this is more where I'm at. I'm going to stick with that. Now it needs a couple more coats of paint. Of course, it's got to dry here. And then I'm going to put another coat on top. But I hope you understand where I'm at. I think this is better than where I am. It matches to her belly. The legs somewhat more. But again, this is in a part, thank goodness, that's up by the hip where it won't be showing. You know, she won't be able to wear her bikini or anything like that. But you know what? She's going to be in shorts and dresses and things like that. I think it's a pretty good match. I like it. I'm not sold on it completely, but I do like it. You know, it's going to work. You know, I think it's going to be okay. I think this is where we're at with it, you know, and yeah, I think so. I think that's where we're at with it. I'm going to stay with that. I lightened it up just again one more time. That'll be my next layer. I'll lighten it up. I think I'm sold on where I am with it. Now this other orange, I will get that out later when I'm cleaning up the doll. I want to seal this here. Not tonight, but I do want to seal it. I want to let that dry, and then I'm going to come back over it again. And we're going to just let her dry right now. But then I got a sealer to put on top of that. So I hope you enjoy with what you've seen with this doll named called Freckles. She was worth it. She really was, because it's, like I say, it's all learning for me. You're learning. If you've never done anything like this, then you're learning it with me. And like I said, I based with white. Then I put in some orange, and then I went to my paint, my red, put that in, because I started to see red. But then all of a sudden I'm starting to see brown in her too now. See, the colors start coming out as you compare this here. And see, as this is drying, it will either darken or lighten, one or the other here. It's going to do. But I can't get it perfect. I don't think I'm going to be able to, because this is another color from the legs. So I've got like different colors. Even her arm is a different color from the rest of her body. So I can't use her arms. I'm not using her arms. I'm using her leg, but it's up next to her body here. So I think I'm going to have to learn how to just say, hey, this is what you are, and this is what you're going to be, you know. But I think this is where it is for her with the color. I think I've reached my ultimate with, you know, the color I'm going to be able to give her. This is a little bit lighter that I'm putting on her. This is a little bit lighter. And this might help her out. I want to clean up this brush again. Something how your brush starts to collect a lot of paint on it as you're mixing it up. But this is as much as I think I'm going to be able to, you know, like, I hope you enjoy seeing this. I think that's pretty good. I lightened it up a little bit more. I think that's pretty good. Okay, we'll let that dry. I think that's pretty good. I think we hit, you know, as much as close as we're going to get. I'll try one lightening it one a little bit more, let it dry. But I hope you like what you're seeing. I'm going to shut the camera off now. Everybody have a great night, and we'll see what she looks like in the morning. Let that be a surprise, because we're going to have her spa day tomorrow. Thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.